Hello, my dear friends. This is Rajesh Mahapatra. I hope all of you are doing well and happiness. In this session, I'll be telling you about the concept of what is machine image in Google Cloud Platform, why machine image is required in Google Cloud Platform. Apart from this, I'll give some real-time example and scenario so that you can easily understand it. Guys, let's get started. Guys, let's discuss what is machine image in Google Cloud Platform. Machine images are created from running VM. They capture the entire state of the VM, including the operating system, installed software, and data. Machine images can be used to create new VM that are identical to the source VM. Machine images are good choice for backing of VMs or for creating clones of VMs. You can create a machine image from a VM instance that include the boot disk and any attached data disk. This allows you to capture a complete snapshot of the VM's configuration. Machine images are especially useful when you want to capture the entire set of VM including additional data disk. They are commonly used for creating backups, disaster recovery, and for cloning environments. Now I'll guide you why the machine images are required in Google Cloud Platform. Machine images are required in the GCP for a number of reasons including to backup VMs, to deploy VMs to different environment, faster provisioning. You know guys, to backup VMs, machine images can be used to create a backup of VM so that they can use to restore in case of failure. This can help to protect data and application from loss. To deploy VM in different environment, it means guys, the machine images can be deployed to different environments such as development, staging, production. This can help to ensure that applications are tested and deployed consistently across all environments. Faster provisioning, it means guys, creating a VM from machine image is often faster than starting from scratch. This is because of image contains pre-configured state, eliminating the need for manual setup and installation. Guys, to scale VMs, it means machine images can be used to scale VM up or down quickly and easily. This can help to meet the changing demands for application. Machine images can be used as template for creating multiple identical VMs. This is especially useful for rapidly scaling application or deploying multiple instances with the same configuration. Complete system state. Guys, machine images capture the complete state of a virtual machine VM, including the operating system, installed software and configuration, and attach the data disk. This allows for easy replication and recovery the entire environment. Let's consider one real-time example so that you can easily understand it. A company might use a machine image to back up their production VM on a regular basis. This would allow them to restore their VM quickly and easily in the event of failure. Guys, a company might use a machine image to deploy their application to different environment. This would allow them to test their application in development environment before deploying it to the production environment. A company might use the machine image to scale their web application up and down during the peak traffic time. This would allow them to maintain a good user experience even when their application is experiencing high traffic load. Guys, now I hope so you can understand what is machine image, why the machine image used in Google Cloud Platform.